Hi Adam, firstly thanks for taking a little bit of time to talk to us today at MAC. It's been a very busy show, so I appreciate your time. First of all, before we start talking about the relationship with World Skills and XYZ, what is the World Skills competition all about?
The World Skills is all about raising standards in technical education, and what we're doing here is CNC milling on the XYZ machines. So how we raise those standards is through national and international competitions.
Okay, so do you run this annually or is it biannually to tie in with MAC?
Yeah, well, our national competition runs every year, and then every 2 years there's an International Skills Olympics with over 60 different countries competing in 60 different vocational skills, and CNC milling is one of those skills.
Oh, okay.
So what we're doing here this week is having a training session for our competitors, getting prepared for the next international competition, which will be in Lyon, in France, this September.
Okay, so that leads me to a question really. If this is being used as a training session, what's the tie-up with you guys as World Skills and XYZ on our products that we sell?
Well, what's really important for us and why we're using XYZ machines is that we need to use industry standard machines, something that really can handle the technical work that we're doing. With Siemens Control as well, it's something that we use at international competitions. That's really, really important.
Okay. And how many guys and girls have you got here this week learning and doing their training session?
We've got 2 competitors here this week. One that's going to be looking at Lyon, and then our other competitor, Jacob, is getting prepared for the next cycle, which will be Shanghai 2026.
Oh, that's quite a way away, but
Yeah.
you know. So, as part of the competition, and where does the XYZ fit in with the Siemens Control? Do they program anything on the machine using the shop mill conversational, or is it all done offline?
It's all CAD CAM, so we're using Mastercam this week, and what the competition is, we have a technical drawing. We give the competitor a 2D technical drawing.
Okay, that I see there.
And
Yeah.
they need to cam that up, well, model it up first, then cam, so produce their tool paths,
Yeah.
output the CNC code, then set the machine up and run the part off to tight tolerances
Yeah.
in a strict time limit. So the camera we're doing this week is a 5.5 hour part, 2.5 hours CAD cam, and then 3 hours machining.
Okay.
So there's a lot of machining there to do in that 3 hours.
too right, there
so
is,
using
yeah.
a machine like this with the capabilities is really
Yeah,
important.
so,
to
and
us.
how have you found the relationship with the XYZ in terms of getting it to the NEC for MAC and setting it all up for you?
Absolutely brilliant. Like you said, this isn't the first year we've done this.
Yeah.
We were invited, first time was MAC a couple of years ago. And it was absolutely, we did an international pressure test then. And you couldn't have done any more for us.
Yeah.
It's been really good, really straightforward. You guys have actually came to us and said, we want to do this with you. How can we help?
Yeah.
Asked us what machines we wanted, the specification of them.
Yeah.
We've come back. They've got the spindle probes, the Renishaw table probe as well. We couldn't have asked for any more.
Yeah, that's great to hear. And it's important for XYZ, I think, to support young people coming into manufacturing world. And like you said earlier, if they're using industry standard machines, that's going to get them used to the real world. So when they hopefully win the skills competition and they move into industry, that they're going to move forward with the products that they're going to see in the real world.
Definitely, that's exactly why
Yeah.
XYZ is a great partner for us at these.
Fantastic.
And
So we wish your candidates great success in the upcoming competition, and I hope they've had a good week and they've passed all their training modules that they have to do.
Yeah.
We look forward to MAC 2026 when we do it all over again.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you for
Mike.
your time, Adam.
Thank you.